to show you how to do a sheet cut and a perforated sheet cut on the new TrueVis machines. So it's right there on the main screen. If you just press the button, you get the choices of normal sheet cut or a perforated sheet cut. So all you've got to do is press the button. Unlike the old Roland, you don't have to remove the edge guards, everything stays in place. So it's simple as that for the sheet cut. Just press it and it will do it for you. You can also set this in the VersaWorks software to do it after a job if you want to. And just to show you the perforated sheet cut, so it's just the other option in the menu and execute. This will take a little bit longer to go through the motions because obviously it's doing a small cut every so often. It's actually a pretty good feature, the perforated sheet cut. It's strong enough to hold, so if you're doing multiple runs of jobs you can still use the take up and it won't tear off, but when you come to process the jobs afterwards you can just rip each sheet off as you go. So there we go, it's been perforated sheet cut now, so as I said it's strong enough to hold, but if you give it a bit of a tug it will come away nice and easy.